Unmute your audio, Pavan. I want to ask you something. Pavan, can you hear me, Pavan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you tell me, Pavan, what is the name of this chapter which we are learning? What is the name? What is the
Ma'am,
name?
now
Yes.
we are studying
Yeah, which one chapter we are learning? What is the name of that?
nervous system.
Nervous system. Good, very good. Nervous system. Okay, is the nervous system. So, mute your audio. Angelina, mute your audio. Everybody mute it, okay? Russell.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the brain talks to the entire body through dash and dash.
Ma'am, through spinal cords, nerves.
Nerves, spinal cords. Cords are not there, only one. Spinal cord. Through spinal cord and through nerves. Okay. So, brain. Royce, Russell, mute your audio. Royce, listen properly. Aditi also listen. So, our brain talks to different parts of our body or different organs with this how it is through the spinal cord and through the nerves. Got it? Okay. So let me ask another thing. So along with the brain, spinal cord and nerves, our sense organs also help us to help the brain to control the body functions. Okay, so let me ask to Aditi, unmute your audio, Aditi, unmute it. Is no, I think Aditi's two are there, Aditi's device. Aditi is sure who is there? Two, are you using two? Huh? I can see both two devices here. You use only one, okay? Aditi, unmute it fast. No. Prinova, unmute your audio. Prinova, unmute your audio fast. Okay, Prinova. So there also, their audio, their network is low. So let me ask you, Advika. Advika, unmute it, Advika. Advika, fast. Where is Advika? Okay, Advika. Okay, tell me, which are the sense organs? Can you name the sense organs in our body?
Eyes.
Okay, fast.
Nose. Ears.
Okay.
Tongue.
This much only. One more is there. All over our body. That sense organ is all over our body.
Nerves.
No. Say, Vaiga is ready to say that. Skin. Okay. Skin. So, eyes. Okay, now mute it. Okay, everybody mute it. Brain is a sense organ. Who said that one?
Someone, no, brain is not
Ma'am,
sense organ.
but
It is
it is
controlling
the textbook.
It is controlling the sense
Okay.
organs.
So, everybody mute your audio, okay? Sri Shankar, you are showing some hands and all, no need of these all things, okay? And here, we need the sense organs. Sense organs, eyes, nose, ears, tongue, then our skin. So, let me ask one more question. Anandan Raj, unmute your audio. Which is the largest, which is the largest sense organ?
Skin, ma'am.
Okay, skin, ma'am. Not skin, ma'am. Skin. Okay, it is the skin. Okay, very good. So, when we see or feel through the sense organs, that sense organs will send the message to the nerves. Nerves will take it to brain. Brain will read it. Brain will identify that thing and will tell to our body that that thing is this one. Okay, so likewise, this nervous system works to control all the body functions. Okay, so now all of you take your EVS workbook. All of you take your EVS workbook. Keep it with you.
Okay, ma'am.
And I will call each one of you. Okay, Shreya. I will call each one of you to read and to say the answer. Ronita, do you have the workbook with you? Ronita? Ronita? Do you have it? And
Yes.
yes, then take it. Take the workbook. I am going to ask questions to you. Fast, fast. Vishnu Venu, please tell me the page number of nervous system.
Nine.
Okay, 9. Page number 9. All of you take page number 9. Afam, take the workbook fast. See this first question. Shreya, what you are doing, Shreya, there? I don't want
She put a raised hand.
Okay.
No,
That
no
hand.
need of
Actually, ma'am.
no need
Hand.
of anything.
No.
Okay. When you are doing that all things, you may not be able to control. Concentrate on the classes. Okay. So, Ronita, are you ready, Ronita?
Yes, ma'am.
Good, good. So first one, read it. First question you read. All should listen that one. Aditi, take the EVS workbook and keep it open. Page number 9. Prinova also. Everybody. See, Zaim, where is your workbook? I want to see it. Yes, Zaim. Zaim. 9. Page number 9. Zaim, I want to see your workbook. Are you with your workbook or not? I want to see. Royce, where is your workbook? Okay. Emmanuel Jiffy, switch on the video. Saurav, switch on the video. Here I can't see Vinayak, Emmanuel. Okay, Prinova came. Zaim, after switching off, where you went? Okay. Ronita, read the question, first one.
Which of the following is long and thin like a pipe and starts from lower part of the brain?
Okay, read the options.
Foot pipe, spinal cord, nervous system, backbone.
Which is the answer, Ronita?
Spinal cord.
Which is the answer? Spinal cord. Okay, B. Answer is B. So mark it. Those have that workbook, mark it. Those don't have the workbook, you have to write it and to write the question and answer.
This question yesterday you sent notes.
Not yesterday.
Yes, ma'am, you sent.
Not yesterday, before so many days, ma'am.
So many days before I said. When it started that time. When we start this chapter, that day I sent that. Okay. So next one. Next question. Rena, Sri Shankar, mute your audio. Rena, read the second question fast. Okay, fast. Rena, read it fast. Unmute it, Rena. Then only we can. Okay, just get the help of your parent. At that time, I will come back. Okay, Vishnu, read the question. Just learn how to mute and unmute. Rena.
Name the organ which controls all the body functions.
Okay, read the options.
Nervous system, muscular system, digestive system, excretory system.
Excretory system. Why you are reading like this? Read it properly. Don't make any sounds. Keep your left hand on your lap. Keep your left hand on your lap. Read the question again.
System.
Read the question again.
Name the organ name the organ system which controls all the body functions.
Okay. Read the options.
Option A, nervous system, muscular system, digestion system,
Excretory system. Excretory system. Okay, which is the system?
Option A, nervous system.
Okay, nervous system. So everybody mark it. Royce, are you marking the answers? Are you checking the answers, Royce? Are you checking the answers? Yes.
Yes.
I will ask. So read the third question fast. Read the third question fast.
Ma'am, page number 9 only.
1 minute, 1 minute. So which page you are looking up to this time then? Huh? Royce, that is what I am saying. Read page number 9, third question.
The dash are the read
Thread
like stretches that form part of the nervous system.
Yeah, once again you read,
The dash the thread like structure that form part of the nervous.
That form part of the nervous system. What is the answer? What is the answer of that one? Third one. Who can say, raise your hand? Who can say, raise your hand? Aditi, 1 minute. Aditi, unmute it and tell. Yes. What is the answer of third one?
Nervous.
Nerves, not nervous. Don't tell nervous. Nerves. Okay, nerves. I will write the spelling. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
1 minute.
N-E.
Okay, N-E. Tell me.
R-N-E-S.
V-E-S. N-E-R-V-E-S. Okay, can you see the? Yeah. This is the. Who is that one? Who is that one talking? Telling the spellings. See, N-E-R-V-E-S. That is the answer of the third one. Okay. So, let me see. Okay, next one. Pranav or Prasad, read the fourth question fast. See.
Dash
Okay.
looks like a long tail of the brain.
Okay, the dash looks like a long tail of the brain. What is the answer of it?
Spinal cord.
Spinal cord. Okay, can you tell me the spelling? Second one. Okay, not the second one, right? Which is that one answer?
Fourth one.
Okay. So, let me take the eraser. Okay. It is the third one, right? 1 minute. 1 minute. Let me select this one. Okay. Okay. 1 minute. I will take the other board. Then it will be easy for you to write. Okay. So here.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. So third one answer is nerves. Okay. Third one nerves. Fourth one answer spinal cord.
Spinal cord.
Okay. Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Board can see it. Right. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. Krishna, unmute and read the fifth one. Fifth one. Yes. Fifth question. Read it fast.
What protects the brain?
What protects the brain? What it protects?
Skull.
Skull.
Skull. Can you tell me the spelling?
S-K-U-L-L.
See, I told Krishna to tell me the answer. And so many Krishnas are there in this class. Is there so many Krishnas? I heard 2-3 sounds along with her sound. Huh? You all changed your name to Krishna. Okay, don't do that, okay? Those who I am calling, those only to sing. Aromel.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Do you have the notes, these questions and answers with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Do you have the workbook with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you show me your workbook? Okay, okay. Did you copy the notes in that workbook?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay, good. Okay, very good. So let me call another student. Zaim, can you read the 6th question? Zaim, can you read the 6th question? Unmute it and read fast. Unmute it fast.
What is calling?
See, keep it some more distance from your mouth. No need to keep it into your mouth. Just keep it some more distance. And read the question. 6th question. Read it fast. Fast. What? Fast.
What can I say?
See, I can't hear you, Zaim.
What?
What?
Encloses the
Spinal cord. What encloses
Spinal
the spinal
cord.
cord? Can you tell me what
Spinal cord.
encloses the spinal cord? What protects the spinal cord? Can you tell me, Zaim? What is the answer of it? What is the answer of it?
Ma'am.
Okay, Shiva Gayatri, tell me
Yes,
the
ma'am.
answer. Yes, tell me.
Backbone.
Backbone. What encloses the spinal cord? It is the backbone. Okay, backbone. B capital. Backbone. Okay, got it? So next one, next question, I gave it as a homework, right? It is what? Labeling
Brain
the diagram.
and spinal cord.
You label the diagram. Okay. So let me ask you. Okay. Vishnu, I saw. Pooja.
Ma'am, I do that.
Okay, good. Pooja, can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am. I will send
Seventh
to.
one. What is the
Yes,
seventh
also do
one A? Seventh one A.
Brain.
So, brain. Okay, it is the brain. Can you tell me what it is? B. What is the name of the B?
Spinal cord. Spinal
Okay,
cord.
spinal cord. Okay, good. I hope everybody did it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Spinal cord. So, can you show it to? Can you show that marked diagram? I will check it. Advika, Roy, Sadidi, Anandan Raj, I can view you. So please show that page. Let me see. Did you do that or no? I want to see. Yes. Okay, Royce. It is not that one. Royce. 10, page number 10. Advika says so. Royce, Pavans, I can see only the AC in your house. I can't see you, either you or the book. Only I can see. Royce, show that page number 10. Why you use some light? Use some light, Royce.
Now you can see my.
No, Royce, I can't see. Pavan, show the page. Pavan, not that one. Not that one. One diagram. Okay. Royce, I can't see yours. Okay, I want to see it. Here, Ronita showed. Zaim, where it is? Joel, where it is? Show me. Emmanuel, show the workbook with you. Okay. Zaim and Emmanuel. Where is that marked page? I want to see it. Okay. Emmanuel, I saw Abhishek, Rasil, Rena. Here I saw, I can't see whose name. Somebody showing the paper. Okay, here everybody show. Okay. So, like this only. Okay. Ahil, switch on the video. Vinayak, Edwin.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Okay. Ahil, where is your workbook? You don't have the workbook.
Yes, I don't have a workbook.
Okay. So, are you writing down the question and answers?
Yes.
Okay, whenever I'm sending notes, write it down. Okay. Can you show me that notes? Can you show me that notes? Now. So everybody just show that picture, that marked part. Let me see. First, only that page. Just fold it and show me. Okay. Amin, where is it yours? Why Edwin Saji? Please show me your video. Ahil, show your notes. Okay. Ahil, Zaim, I saw. Next one. Okay, well, let me see. Let me see. Here I am seeing somebody's, some of yours. Okay.
Ma'am, I haven't write that one. I will write it.
That is what
Ma'am,
I
I
okay. Okay. Good.
write it.
Okay, very good. Okay, those who all done the homework, very good. Okay, next one, this one, true or false. We want to see question number 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, we can say it fast, whether it is true or wrong. Okay,
Okay,
so, okay, this Abhishek, Thomas, Vinayak, please switch on your this one video.
Ma'am,
Abhishek, please read the. Okay, Abhishek, please read the 8th question fast. Read fast. Mute your audio.
The brain is controlled.
Brain is controlled center of the body. Is it true or wrong? True. Okay, so 8th one is true. 8th one is true. 9th one, Abhishek, read it.
True.
Abhishek, read it again. Fast.
True. False. True. False.
I am asking Abhishek to read it. Read it fast.
The nervous carries messages.
Stop. Is it nervous? I told clearly.
Nerves.
Nerves,
ma'am.
Okay. Abhishek,
Nerves.
read it. Nerves.
Brain.
Carry messages to different parts of body to the brain.
The nerves carry message from different parts of the body to the brain. Is it true or wrong?
True.
It is true. Okay. So 9th one also true. Next one, 10th one. Abhishek, continue. See, somebody is unmuting and talking. I think Amin. Is it Amin?
Nerves
Okay.
follow the message that they receive from the brain.
Okay, body parts never follow the message
False.
that they never receive from the
False,
that they
ma'am.
receive from the brain.
False.
False. It is the false. Yeah.
Ma'am, Amini saying all the time.
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Sorry.
Amini saying all the time the answers
Amin.
instead of Abhishek.
Amin. So for the next class, I won't give you any chance. Okay. Why I told in the beginning itself. Abhishek, read the next question.
The process of carrying messages throughout the body takes a lot of time.
The process of carrying messages throughout the body takes a lot of time.
False.
False. That is false, right? Within seconds it reaches to the brain, right? Within seconds it reaches to our brain. So this much are there. So 12th question also. Listen, 12th question also we can discuss. 2 more minutes are there.
Ma'am, I will say.
Sorry, who is that one?
Ma'am,
Who is that one? Anandan Raj, unmute and read the 12th question. 12th question.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
What does the brain need to know to control the body?
Okay, what does the brain need to know to control the body? What all things the brain should know it? Okay, read it, Anandan.
To control the body, the brain needs to know what is happening in the different parts of the body and outside of the body.
Okay, what is happening in different parts of the body? What it is happening different parts of the body and also outside the body. From the outside, the sense organs help to understand it. Am I right?
Yes,
What all
ma'am.
things are happening outside our body, through the sense organs, the brain can get the message. What all things are happening inside our brain, the nerves will carry that all message to the brain. Okay, so next one, I think it is time to wind up my class. The next class teacher is waiting.
Thank you.
So,
Okay,
next
ma'am.
class,
Thank you,
we will
ma'am.
whole knowledge.
Thank
Okay?
you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.